Let me show you how we can use the secure folder on Samsung Galaxy S25. In order to set it up, we need to go to settings, scroll down to security and privacy, and then go here, scroll down again to find more security settings, and here you should be able to find secure folder. Once you go over here, you can press continue twice, and then we need to wait a couple of seconds to let the device create the secure folder. After that, we need to press done, and we need to select a type of password that we wish to set up for the secure folder. In my case, I'm gonna use a pattern. I'm gonna draw a simple pattern, press continue, draw or enter the same password again. And there we go. Now we have the option to allow the phone or allow ourselves to restore the access when we lose the password by using the Samsung account. So if you allow, you can use Samsung account in order to reset the password. And you can also press don't allow if you don't want to. And let's press OK. Of course, we need to remember our password. In addition to that, we have biometrics. We can use fingerprint if you want to. And let's go next. And this is pretty much it. We have set up the secure folder. Over here, we have some basic apps that we can use, and they store separate data compared to apps that are outside of this secure folder. So for example, if you go to my files in secure folder, you will see it empty at first because you don't have any files in that app that is inside the secure folder. So the data is separate, the settings are separate, all accounts that you use in apps that are in secure folder are also separate. And if you want to add more apps to the secure folder, you need to simply press this plus button here. Then you can select whatever you want to add. So let's say I can choose TikTok. Of course, you can select multiple apps at once and press add. And here we go. We have now these apps added. You can also press these three dots in order to find even more options, including some customization options and settings where you can, for example, change the password and so on. And the secure folder by default can be found in the apps screen. You should have it over here. And you can easily open it. If you want to lock the secure folder, by default you can tap on these three dots and choose lock and exit. And now if you try to reopen the secure folder, you will need to enter the password. And that is it. And besides that, if you want to remove apps, you can press and hold your finger on the app and choose uninstall. You are removing them or uninstalling them from the secure folder only, so they will still be there in the home screen or app screen because they are different apps. And you can also create a shortcut in the home screen of this app that is inside the secure folder by choosing add to home. And that's all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!